Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX. Is SHX coming back to life? It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You guys can check out their biometric wallet, which has got $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2 times package, which has got $129 off if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens. It supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar, guys. So do check it out. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of Stronghold at the time of the recording, guys. So this is Stronghold, guys. If we look at the daily chart over here, it is down 3.45% for the day, guys. The price is 0.006496. The highest it has gone is 0.007. And since that time, guys, there has been a lot of volatility. It came back down and tested this support over here, 0.0067. It broke through this support level again, and it went down, guys, towards the 0.0065 mark, and now it is trying to break this support as well, the 0.0065. Let's see how it goes. If we look at the 7-day chart, it is up 5.68% in the last 7 days, guys. The price went as low as 0.006051, as high as 0.0081, and now, guys, it is basically consolidating. It is in a range over here, but the sell pressure is tremendous over here, guys, in my opinion. It might even break this area and come down and support test these areas, the 0.006363 mark, and let's see how it goes, because the downward momentum is high. But guys, if we look at the monthly chart, there are crucial support areas over here as well, the 0.0063, 0.00662. There are a lot of support areas over here, so there is going to be a lot of buying pressure over here in this area. Let's see how it goes. In the grander scheme of things, guys, in the monthly chart, there is nothing much. The price went as high as 0.009. Since that it fell, but after that it is basically in this range from 0.008 to 0.006. Basically, this has been the range in the last month. Let's see how it goes. If you look at the yearly chart, it is up quite a lot since the yearly lows, guys. It went as low as 0.000452. We were talking about Stronghold at this point. If you timed your entry over here, you will be in massive profits, obviously. Still, guys, even after this dip, and if you bought at the top, guys, then obviously that is not a really good feeling. Obviously, even if you bought around here, you still will be in green at least, yeah. Even if you bought at 0.004. But let's see how it goes, guys. Let us look at the all-time chart. So I told you guys in the all-time charts as well, there is crucial support area over here, the 0.0058, 0.006. So there is a confluence, guys. There is support pressure in the monthly as well as in all-time chart, guys. We can see that there is crucial support level over here. So it might come down, test 0.006 again, but it will. I think will be a lot of buying pressure around these levels, guys. Let's see how it goes. But I was checking out the SHX X handle as well, guys. There were a lot of technical experts as well. They are talking about what they're basically talking about how SHX is basically bound for reversal now. We're going to be looking at that in a moment. Because if you look at the fundamentals as well, guys, SHX only has a market cap of almost 37 or 38 million dollars, guys. It is nothing for what it is offering, guys. If it indeed achieves what it wants to, then it can grow a lot, guys. Check this out, Pixel Rider, SHX. I'm bullish on SHX. How not to be? Hope more people understand what this token is all about. Anyways, guys, let us look into this, guys. This is Happy Gill. SHX coming back to life. So he is a technical expert, guys. He's basically saying that from this point on forward, guys, 0.0058, 0.0065, 0.0068, this range, the price is gonna rebound and basically test this high, this range 0.0095, and it has the potential to go beyond. Check this out as well. The RSI, guys, it is way down, and now it has basically broken this trend line over here as well, according to this. So MACD as well, it is basically turning around. So according to the technicals, SHX is coming back to life. Let's see how it goes. Let us look at more posts as well about the fundamentals as well. So it is not only about the technicals, guys. The fundamentals of SHX are also strong. Check this out, guys. The ISO standard, the Stellar Development Foundation, the Stellar ecosystem is growing, and Stellar, you know that it is basically associated. SHX is built on top of Stellar, and projects such as VELO, they have taken huge moves. They have partnered with Solana, and it is only, in my opinion, it is only a matter of time before SHX basically deliver news as well, because this ecosystem is deeply integrated, in my opinion. The Stellar ecosystem, projects such as VELO, Stellar, Jed McCaleb is a part of, it is in the advisory group of VELO as well, and SHX has a deep-rooted connection with Jed McCaleb as well, so we might see a VELO partnership with Stronghold, or we might even have another big news coming in the next months or so, guys. We never know, because this ecosystem is growing significantly, guys. Check this out. Check out the names, guys, associated with Stellar, and Stellar is basically the linchpin of what Stronghold stands for. Anyways, guys, let us now move ahead. Let us look into a really good post over here. I bookmarked it. It was from Crypto Banker, guys. So yeah, just my own personal. We're going to be looking at this price prediction post a bit later. So yeah, this was the post. What does the Franklin Templeton and Stellar Org RWA mean for SHX and Stronghold Net? Stronghold have been building the financial infrastructure for businesses, institutions, and governments since 2018. I've been covering this for months. It's now coming to the forefront. So check this out. Payment infrastructure for businesses, institutions, and governments. He has made this video over here. Let us look at it.
And now we look and see in recent times, this from April the 24th, 2023, that now Franklin Templeton has the Franklin On-Chain US Government Money Fund, which has surpassed $217 million in assets under management. And where is that fund sat? Well, it's sat on the Stellar blockchain. So people talk about tokenization, all these different cryptocurrencies and projects, they're going to have tokenization on it. They're going to tokenize property. They're going to tokenize trade. It's already happened on Stellar. They've been doing it for years now. And to me, as I say, when I just came across these documents and these news articles, to me, it very much has the alignment with Stronghold Net. When we talk about that multi blockchain capability of XRP XLM, the FEDNOW US ACH ISO 222. 2024 is the year of the ISO 222 integration. They want a network which speaks to all of these other blockchains and all of these other systems to have an all inclusive payments network where, as I say, you can move not only digital fiat, but also these other cryptocurrencies and these assets as well. So I just wanted to put this together. For me, as I say, when you read things like this and you understand the journey that Stronghold has been on, it becomes very apparent quite quickly that they have been leading when it comes to regulatory and compliance standards within this space. And the last thing that we're really waiting for is the official crypto framework in the US.
Yeah, I agree with this. The crypto framework in the US, basically, if it isn't given the green light, guys, a lot of these projects cannot maneuver till then, guys, efficiently, basically. USA has to basically get its act together, and it will after the XRP case, the Ripple case. A lot of things will streamline slowly and gradually, but I think that the projects such as Stronghold and the US-based projects, they will go full throttle and disclose a lot of what a lot of stuff that is going behind the scenes after that, guys. So the infrastructure is obviously being built over here, guys. As far as the price prediction thing goes, guys, I think that I would like you guys to comment on this. Do you guys believe this or not? Because I usually tend to be a bit more conservative when it comes to price targets. But anyways, everyone has their own predictions. So this is crypto bankers prediction April 21st. Just my own personal opinion. The minimum market cap potential for VELO in 2024 is between $22 billion to $40 billion. SHX a market cap a minimum of 17 billion in 2024. A market cap minimum of $33 billion in 2024. So do you guys think that this will be achieved, and 2025 2026 all will be $50 billion plus? So do you guys think it can be achieved in 2024 and 2025 2026, or are you a bit conservative, guys? Check this out. Green Knuckles, the last 24 hours, 56 trust lines created. So, bookmark, don't remark. Okay, so yeah, let me like this as well. So I would like your opinions. Do you guys think Stronghold can achieve $17 billion market cap in 2024 or not? Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.